That's what this is called. Farm life. Welcome, welcome. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yeah, I don't know why I'm introducing myself as if I'm on stream. I'm feeling a little sick and out of it. I've been fighting a little bit of a cold past few days, so if I sound a little bit different, that's why. Real quick, something I should show you guys before we leave. I meant to show you guys. Totally forgot. Over the night, we did a little bit of work, not too much. We have some mushrooms growing, and just like what you saw last time, we were growing a bunch of stuff here and here. We didn't expand our farm, but we did expand our water production. So because we have to craft all our food and water, we weren't really getting much, so I have expanded to now 3, so we should be getting 9 a day, which is better than what we're than just the 3 that we were doing each day, as well as whatever we were finding. Today we're gonna make our way to the trader, and we're gonna get our oh Jesus, oh boy, okay, let's just pick you up. That was a bad idea. We're gonna get to the trader, and we're going to we're gonna do the last quest. I think we only need one more. We're gonna do the last quest we need to do in order to upgrade, and then we're gonna go take care of our neighbors. That's what we're gonna do today. Those are the goals. Just take care of our last quest, get our level up or whatever with the trader, and then go into that military POI. I believe that's a level 5 POI, so it's going to be a little difficult, but it shouldn't be too terrible. We have no points. We spent all of our points yesterday. So at this point, we do need to start working on getting Deadeye up. We also need to work on maybe getting some big and fast up to swing our clubs faster, and increasing your damage output, as well as working on skills for maybe the mini bike. We need to find vehicle books and things like that. So hopefully we can start finding things like that. We're not going to go out to Trader Jen until we have the mini bike. So it's going to be a while before we can actually do that, because we're not getting the books we need. So we need to put some points into mechanic and things like that in order to upgrade that. But for now, the main goal is to finish up these level 1 quests. The reason I want to finish them up is because we won't get level 2 quests until tomorrow. So I will finish up level 1 and then pick up the trader route quest. And we'll do that when we get the mini bike, when we go do that military POI back there. But that's our goal. So let's go talk to the trader and see what quests he's got. So yeah, like I said last time, we were gonna not bring our all of our weapons, but because we're gonna do that POI, I wanted to bring them.
I thought you were a zombie.
Oh, whatever. 942. The closest one is a buried supplies. We're not gonna do that. We'll go do this 584 clear.
Like you. Well, good luck. By the looks of it, you're gonna need it.
So we're some of these quests are getting pretty far away. Which is scary. That means it's just gonna take longer to get there. I'll have to check and see what mods we can craft tonight for the vehicles, and see if we can do something for the bike. Maybe if there's an extended storage mod, or maybe something that like helps us pedal faster. Maybe there's like a mod where you can put cards in your bike spokes and you go faster, but it's louder, even though that's not really what people did that for. It would just be, in a game like this, it would be funny. Well, this is a medical POI, which is nice. I do need to remember to get some rotten flesh, and oh Jesus, that was not what I wanted to do. I need to get rotten flesh, and I need to get nitrate powder. So taking apart bodies down here, like these bodies, will get me both rotten flesh and nitrate powder. I need to worry about that stuff. We are so close. 13 more cooking books. since we will be returning home eventually, I am going to be breaking apart a lot more stuff with the wrench to get the metal that we need. Oh, it's going to take you forever to get through that. So yeah, we are going to be taking apart like stuff with the wrench, whatever we can come across, because we will get home before we do the military POI. We for sure will be home before we do the military POI. There's so many zombies around, and they're all outside. We definitely had a wandering horde come by. Oh god, oh god. Jesus! Oh no! Where are y'all coming from? I missed a bag. You're gonna blow that thing up. No, you won't. Oh boy. That was scary. It was probably a dumb move to let them in, but at the same time, I don't think it was. But we did clear the area, so that's good. Spear Hunter. Spears have a higher chance of doing bleed damage. Here's a medical journal that we had. Raid clear. Hopefully we got everything we need. I need to learn not to be a loot whore. I need to learn what to and what not to take. Or we just need a better vehicle. Or I need better storage. I thought about taking the storage level ups. The pack mule level ups. But if I can get 4 quad pocket mods, then you wouldn't need all the storage level ups. But those are a pain to come by. Because you can craft up to triple, but you can't craft all the quads. You can't craft the quads, you have to get them from quest rewards, I think.
Okay,
Correct.
fuck, wipe that smirk off your face.
Give me some good
Doing
news.
one job doesn't make us pals. God.
Yeah, but doing a bunch makes us pals. Let's go with this gatherer mod. Let's go. Let's see. Special jobs. We'll take it. 1.3 kilometers.
Stand there with your thumb up your ass.
So it's going to be 2 kilometers from our home. It's going to be so far away. The rest of these, we live in the west. Do you have any jobs? Let's go to this one, 721 to the west.
Let's get one.
That should be by our home.
You're not working with me. You're working for me.
Yeah, that's not too. So this is our home. This is where the quest is going to take us. So we'll go do that first, and then we'll do our new our military POI. Do you have any good books? Forge Ahead would be good to take. You don't have any vehicle books. We'll take the Forge Ahead. I wish you had cookbooks. That's it.
Thank you very much, and now you can go fuck yourself.
The fact that we're only at 16 Forge Ahead books really shows that we have not been getting good book drops at all. Our loot stage needs to go up really badly. It needs to go up. We'll go do this quest and drop everything off at home and then do the military POI that's next to our home. You be quiet. We are no longer in the pursuit to push forward for quests. So the idea is basically from here on out, at least one quest a day, if not two. We're not going to push like we have doing 3, 4, 5 quests a day. One or two until we get to where we need to go to move forward. I think the goal is if we survive here through Horde Night 3, so day 15, we'll move to a new location. I want to move maybe by night 3 or by after Horde 10 or Horde day 10. That's the word. But I don't think we're going to be ready for that. I don't think we're going to be able to get to do that by that point because moving also requires being able to transport everything that we need to transport. And I don't have storage to transport stuff. I also want to be able to, if it comes to transporting, I want to be able to like go out and screen homes first. Check out what homes and farms may be out towards Gen or whatever next region we may go to. Jerk. How are you not dead yet? Holy crap. Holy crap. Yeah, I did back at the trader. I did take the vitamin we found just because I felt that was just an easier thing to do is take the vitamin than to try to make space. Oh god. Is there nothing else up here? Oh, we did get books that I should have read. I never remember. Miso soup we can't do anything with. Easy peasy. Agility mod? Alright, what do we got? Armor book, farming book, forge book, scope mod, cookbook, and we can definitely use that sauce. So let's go drop everything off at home, and we're going to do a big POI that I've not done before. Now, these big POIs are usually where I lose. Level like 3 and higher is usually where I die. So, hoping I'm not getting too crazy and ballsy going for a level 3 POI, but I think we got it. We'll check that crafting skill magazine. And that's a helmet mod, so we're not going to put that on. We'll just drop that in the sell box. But yeah, we're going to do that POI, because I've been interested to check that out since we moved in. Alright, let's see. What do we got in the books? 2 cooking, 2 handgun, and 2 punchies. So nothing good. I realized that we had unlocked the ability for the extended magazine mod, but we can't craft it. We don't have everything we need. We need mechanical parts, so I'm going to try to work on getting those after we're done in here. I was hoping to have it for this, but we can't craft it, unfortunately. So this is a high tier POI. What was it, a 5, I think? Oh god. So we got to be careful. We got to be cautious. We got to know what we're doing and where we're going. Like I said, I usually lose at these high level POIs. I got to not be afraid to use weapons. To use guns. Another cookbook. We only need 8 more cookbooks to master cooking. It takes so much to kill that person. Look, see me being a loot goblin? I'm already near full loot. I gotta stop being such a loot goblin. That's why I get stuck in these situations. I don't want to pass up on the seeds, though. I don't like this. It did bring some extra food and water, and not really water, but I did bring extra food just in case we needed it to help us just feed ourselves if we start to get hungry. I'm gonna be taking this as slow as possible. It's just I'm also gonna be going quite fast because it was a little bit later than I wanted it to be. And these places usually have a lot to loot. Last time I tried to do a POI this high, it was day 4 of vanilla. And there was a ton of friggin' zombies during that day. No, that was a tier 5 though. Boy. Oh god. Oh boy. Did I skip that area? Oh no, that's where I started. Ah, shoot. Oh shoot. I'm gonna get rid of the seeds. We don't need the seeds right now. I'm gonna keep the mushroom seeds though. Like, unless we can find the mushroom POI, that's really what I want to hold on to, are the mushroom seeds. Everything else is fine. Armor book, baseball bat book. That's locked. I don't like that that's locked. Whatever I can do to not use all my ammo would be nice. But I have so much 9mm ammo that it's also fine. don't like how that opened. I wish that was open. Jesus! Oh my god. Oh my god. Knife guy. We'll take that. Do we have a pipe on us? No. If we start to get too over encumbered, I will get rid of that. But for now, we'll hold on to it. I'm gonna eat this meat stew that we have just to make space. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I stared right at the dogs. Stared right at the dog crates. Just stared right at them. Alright, if there's any more, they would have woken up by now. Baseball bats, fists. Let's just scrap that. Can I go in the store? No. No, I can't go in the store. Go above the store. Is there something up here? Oh no. Oh god. I hate you. I hate you. %, more range. And this can not be cooked with. Tactical warfare and a pipe rifle. Assault rifle skill, pipe rifle. We'll take it. We're not going to use it. We'll take it. I don't like this. Let's build a hatch. Right there. Just in case we need to, for whatever reason, come back here. Like that. Another rifle book. Millimeter.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree.
Oh my God.
You ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock. Electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't
Shit.
everything I've been
Shit.
chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough.
Oh boy.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as.
Oh my god. I knew that was gonna happen. And instead of running back here, ran forward. I didn't realize this was so low. And I don't have any pipes on me. Oh, what did I get? A sniper book. Chance to dismember. Nice. Another farm book. We need 2 more farm books. Errors cannot be used. What is this one? Shotgun Messiah. Craft Shotgun Tube Extender mod. Medical book. Warfare AK. For machine gun parts. Six in tactical warfare. We are running low on space. Bazookas. Let's go ahead. We're gonna drop these. And we've got a couple of lockpicks. So let's see if we get lucky with this. Nice. Nice. What did we get? Tools. Armor. Excuse me, guys. And we can scrap those. Eat that. Put that there and grab those. That's it. We did it. What about that room back there, though? Is there more? Oh, come on. Come on. Thank you. Open up that. I did open up that. We could check that out. That room in the back. I was going to say it did feel a little lacking, but there's more. So that was nice. One more. Again. I don't think that'll work. Let's see. Fist book. And if I scrap that, that'll turn into a pipe, and that's going to get stuck in my inventory. Won't it? The fact that you didn't get me is so weird. Alright, where did I park our bike? Where did I park the bike? Over here. By where I figured we were going to be exiting. Let's go ahead and just drop everything off in here as much as I can. I want to know if this room opened up after I pressed that button. Didn't. That's so much. Oh, I wonder. Hold on. I think I have an idea. Let's just get through this first and see what happens. It's just dead bodies. I have some space. Alright, that's going to be it. I'm going to head home. I'm going to drop off all my loot. I'm going to sort my inventory and everything else. And work on maybe... I think I can make a new baseball bat, so I can maybe work on upgrading my baseball bat, see whatever else I can upgrade. And get prepared for tomorrow. We'll do some more quests. And mess around with rank 2 quests. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and being here. If you like what you saw, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates and notifications when I go live and post new videos. And leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. I respond to all comments back. If you want to see me outside of here, please be sure to check me out twitch.tv/we_walnuts and live here on YouTube Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I also have a Discord and a bunch of other ways that you can come hang out with me. So please do that when you get a chance. I'm trying to reach 1,000 followers this year. So if you would really help me out and giving me a big old follow, please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Always hug your loved ones. Of course, like always, be sure to wear mismatched socks. See you all next time.